So we started construction on the house.
Here's a look at the property. We put the house on top of the hill. There's about 6 trees on that back fence line that we're going to take down. We'll do some grade work, maybe lower at the top of the hill about a foot. This is the first day of dirt work, December 18th, 2019. They are digging the trenches, doing the footers. After they get done and the concrete cures, they'll go back in and excavate. Here's a shot of the house after they completed the footers. And here it is after they've removed the dirt.
Big mound of dirt right there. Big mound. Camera doesn't really do it justice. I guess. Well, that was fun. I just got a mess to clean up.
Mistakes were made. I don't know how somebody gets 2 chainsaws stuck, but I did that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.